Yes, okay, yeah, welcome to the weekend analysis. It is another day, and yeah, I'm going to share analysis on gold. So this is gold spot, and it is analysis for now. This will be from 22nd of January to 26th of January. So it is a 5 days market move. So I'm going to break down the market in 4 different time frames, but for the purpose of this analysis, I'm going to add the 1 hour time frame. So it will be 5 different time frames, and I expect this analysis to be not more than 10 minutes, mostly 7 to 8 minutes. So quickly, I'm in a monthly time frame, so we can see the highlight, and this is just a continuation of what I already shared last week. So basically, I was expecting to see price playing within those levels now since last week, and basically we see clearly prices within a level. So we have the resistance and the support level, and mostly I was looking forward for price to touch this support level, and now we see clearly bearish momentum has highly created this week. So there's increase of sellers in the monthly chart. So this aligns with what was projected in my previous analysis. And at the same time, we have this trend line down here. So we have third touch this week, but the price has bounced to the upside. So now we'll see clearly how this trend line has played in lower time frames. Then quickly let me go to weekly time frame to see what are the highlights in weekly time frame, and what are the the main considerations in weekly time frame. Now the first thing, we see the levels as usual. Now we see the levels here, and in addition we have the intermediate or the minor level here. So actually, as I was expecting last week, in my previous analysis, I was looking forward for a bearish momentum to continue being created at this level. So we see there's increase of bearish momentum, even if there's a rejection like how it was in previous week, but the current rejection is associated with a high bearish momentum. So this shows that there's increase of sellers in weekly and monthly time frame, and at the same time, now we see the trend line. So price touched this trend line 3 times. So the third time, price tried to break it, but buyers came in and pushed the price to the upside. Therefore, the weekly candle closed above the trend line. But this is still shows that sellers are playing well, and we expect to see more sellers in the coming week. Now, this will be the overall projection. So now price stand at this level. So this level is key also. So we expect if price is going to break those key levels, we can see more bearish momentum, especially this trend line when it is broken together with this the horizontal support level. So that is powerful. Then now quickly in daily time frame, we can see what are the key highlights of those now major considerations. Now we can see the major considerations in daily time frame. So we see, as usual, we have the support and resistance levels. Now we have the resistance and support levels. So we have those we call the horizontal supports and the resistance, and also we have the dynamic support or the trend lines. So now what is important in daily time frame? Now we see this level here, the horizontal support acted very well on Wednesday. So price rejected here and bounced to the upside. So actually, at the same time, I have introduced this support here. So price also respected it because we have those 2 factors of conference at this level and bounced to the upside. But currently now, what are we looking forward? Mainly we'll be considering this horizontal support. Now this was previously support, and actually this formed the basis of my previous analysis, whereby I was expecting to see price breaking and retesting this. So in my update on Telegram channel, I think I talked about price moving below this dynamic support that has turned into resistance now. So basically, Friday candle tried to push and close above this level, but sellers come in and force the price to close below this below this resistance level. Now this is the resistance. So now this is a powerful indicator of a possible continuation to the downside in the coming week or in the coming days. So now how price is going to play clearly here, we can see in 4-hour time frames, and in addition in a 1-hour time frame I'll be providing those key areas of consideration and possible entries. So basically we see beautiful rejection below the trend line, so this clearly indicates continuation of bearish momentum in the coming week. Then straightforward in daily time, in 4-hour time frame, we can now see what are the possible entries. We can now see what are the possible entries. So basically, we have the same things now. In addition, we'll be having this level here. Now, this formed the basis of my updates on Telegram. I shared an update. So we're looking for price to reverse at this level and continue with the downward movement. So basically, we have seen a beautiful rejection here, and the next candle created a bearish momentum. So this is a powerful indicator of having sellers controlling price movement from this level here. So basically, in this time frame, we can see it seems like we are above this resistance level now. It was resistance in daily time frame. So this has nothing to do with a bullish momentum, but basically what we'll be looking forward next week, we expect to watch price moving below this trend line. When it is moving below this trend line, this can be a very beautiful sell opportunity in 4-hour time frame. But if you move to daily time frame, it may indicate clearly that we can straight sell from the current price position. So basically watch for this level to be respected next week. So basically, let me go to 1 hour to have that clear projection now. There's a need to have a 1 hour time frame that I don't always use it in my analysis. But basically for the purpose of this, let us see what is happening in 1 hour time frame. So I introduced this level here. This is minor level. So price has been moving to the upside. I expect this to be either an ABC to the upside up to this level, because it has already moved up to the 61% of this previous move to the downside. So price might have already completed the correction to the upside up to this place. Now, if this is the right thing happening here, so we expect that price will continue straight selling, moving, breaking this swing low. But alternatively, and I will be taking this as the consideration and something to consider next week. So mostly I expect to see price rising straight now, straight or slightly on opening of the market. Then after that move, price is going to move down, breaking this trend line, then retest. Then after retest, we can have this stronger push down. We can have this stronger push down. Then after this stronger push down, now price may come again to the upside. Then this will be followed by a powerful sell. So this is a projection now. This is the projection. So we can just wait for a slight rise on opening of price. Then from there you can take sells. So now these sells here, you must be watchful or protective. You must break even, because price is expected to come again to the upside. So price is expected to come again to the upside, and this rise is expected to be to around 2035 in any way. So if price is going to come around 2035, from there we'll be straight selling down, and this can move up to 2000 level or 2005 in any way, even though we expect price may move beyond this level. So price after hitting a 2000 level, this will be like a first target. So if it is going to break this support here, price may move even further to around 1977 in any way, or 1970 in any way. So that is how we're going to trade next week. So this is the analysis, this is the projection. Make sure that you add your own analysis, and also you can write anything. If you have any comment, you can write in the comment section, or if you have any question. But this is all about the projection. So thank you. Have a powerful weekend.